This time we're focusing on rotational stability. Let's start on your back with knees bent and bring the hands behind the head. Inhale, nod the chin. Exhale, come up and over and release it back down. Exhale, lift your opposite shoulder a little bit higher, scooping through the abs and release it down. Exhale, rotate through the chest and shoulders and release. Good. Let's add the knee lift. Really reaching that opposite elbow to the knee, twisting a little bit further. Good. Exhale, up and over, elbows stay wide. Other side, rotate. Good. Release it down. Exhale, up and over, and lower back and in and release. Good. Let's add some pulses. Stay there and curl up a little bit higher for 5, 4, 3, scoop through the belly, 2, 1 more, bring it back down. Let's do the other side. Exhale, flex up and pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release it back down. Let's add a little bit more of endurance. Let's come up and over, rotate to the right, stretch the leg, flex and lower, point and lift, keeping the knee straight, point and lift. One more time, reach the heel away, lift, bend, come up and release it down. Other side, flex over to the left, stretch, flex and lower, point and lift, 2 and lift, knee stay straight and lift, bring it in and release it down. All done.